Alright everybody, we're out here with the SNAPTAIN SP600. We're going to bring it outside here. It flew so great in the house and how stable it was. Let's bring it out here and try it out. Let's start some video up. Video's going. Let's calibrate it. Let's take off. Flips look good. Video's looking pretty clear. Let's take it up a little bit and hold it steady for a minute. See if we can get some decent looking video out of it. It's a little bit windy out, but it's like it was last week. It's gusting. You know, you'll get it where it'll be calm for 5 minutes and then it'll gust up and do that kind of stuff. I'm trying to hold it up here steady so we can see what the video is going to look like. On the screen, just like on the inside, on the screen it looks great, you know. I'm just trying to get this trim straightened out. Oh yeah. It flies just as nice as it did in the house as far as steering. Steers great. Oh yeah, real nice guys, real nice. Turns on a dime. Beautiful. Beautiful steering on this thing. Real nice. I'm gonna see if I can try something on here with these drawing on the screen deals, or this circle mode. Now, I don't see that working. Okay, so we know it steers like a dream. Okay, we know it flies super nice. We know it steers great. Okay, that's not an issue. Let's try this voice command thing. I'm gonna try to hit that. Take off. Take off. Let me try that again. Take off. Yeah, well. Take off. Well, I couldn't get this to work on the other one that I had, so I don't know. It flies great. That's all I give a crap about. How does it fly? Okay? All these gimmicks with these things. Didn't work on the last one, is not working on this one. Okay? So I'm gonna stand out here like an imbecile talking to myself. Somebody will call and have me sent to Bellevue. Okay? I'm gonna run out the battery. I'll probably cut the video. We're just gonna try to find out how long this battery's gonna last. So I'm not gonna probably show the whole video. I'll just chop it up or speed it up, one or the other. So far I haven't lost the bind or had any lag on the controls, which is a good sign, actually. Uh-oh, there's a big hawk up there. He's eyeing up the SNAPTAIN. I dare him to come and grab that thing. I literally dare him to. Come on. They're circling the SP600. Oh, he's eyeing it up, man, believe me. He's checking it out. Come on down and get it. Give me a viral video. You see him up there, guys? He's getting a little closer. See, I'm going to lose sight of the quadcopter because I'm watching that damn turkey buzzard. Oh well, that's the way it goes. So far the video has been going for 8 minutes. Let's try the return to home. Okay, we'll go out here away. Okay, let's try to return to home. Let's see which way I'm going here. We know what that means, right? It's backwards. Yep, here it comes. And to abort that, just hit the stick any which way, any direction. On the roll or the pitch, just touch it and it'll stop. I think the video on this thing is going to look decent. I really do. The battery indicator on here is showing that it's getting pretty low. So maybe I won't have it. I got 933 so far of video recording, but I did stop it for 30 seconds or maybe a little bit more to do the voice controls that didn't work. So we'll see. But you know, it flies great, man. Flies really nice. Steers great. I'm real happy with it. Like I said, you know, I'm not a big fan of these gimmicks. Just talking to it and the finger line drawing and all that. You know, personally, I could care less about that stuff. I'm just flying it around trying to burn the battery out. You know, this one's real nice too because it doesn't lose the altitude when you're pitching the corners, you know. It doesn't dive down to the ground. You know, this is one of the nicest flying little toy quadcopters I've seen. You know, it holds the altitude no matter how much of this pitch you give it. It stays right there at that altitude. So basically anybody could fly this thing. Super easy to fly. Okay, so we're at 12:02 on the video, and it's still going. No, it's steady as it gets, man. This thing is rock solid. Okay, we're at 13:12 on the video. Now it's showing the battery is down in the red, so I'm thinking there's going to be a battery warning coming up here shortly. I have no idea what it's going to do. It's going to either just land or give an audible beep or just fall out of the sky, but we'll find out here in a second. Okay, here we go. It's beeping. Let me cut the video. And land it up. Wow. Wow. Fantastic flight time on that thing. I think it was around 15 minutes, to be honest with you. But we'll see when I get in here and edit the video. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Thank you, SNAPTAIN. All right, guys. Have a nice day. All right.